He's taking it right anyways, because he wasn't using his blinker. What the actual man?
On your way home, traffic is lighter than usual. You should still take the route via I-880 North and California 24 East.
And then we have La Taqueria Tacos. Plain and simple, La Taqueria.
Less than half this one. Wasn't that not even that big?
Oh, se me pegó el trabajo.
Se va a pegar este pendejo. Déjalo que se vaya. It's crazy, so. Cambio pendejo. Because that's why he's like ready for you to do. Fucking dumbasses. I mean, he was like stuck. You ain't gonna get out of that, bro.
messages through populations with low vaccination rates. Dr. Rachel Walensky is director of the CDC. She says this shows two truths. With highly immunized swaths of the nation getting back to normal, with hospitalization rises in other places. The research also showed the vaccine is critical. We talked about it earlier with Dr. David Agus, a CBS medical contributor.
If you look over the last several weeks in the United States, despite the dramatic rise of Delta virus, so it's more than 50% of new cases in the United States, over 99% of hospitalizations in the United States are for people who are unvaccinated. The vaccine is protecting everyone from serious illness associated with the Delta.
That's Dr. David Agus, a CBS medical contributor.
Up next on WTOP, we'll check in with DaveCar.com. This is a special alert to all Americans who own a vehicle with less than 200,000 miles with an auto warranty about to expire or with no warranty coverage at all. Due to the COVID crisis, we are announcing cost extended service plan that is now available to the public to save any driver out-of-pocket expenses on auto repairs. Call now to find out how you can pay nothing for auto repairs. Call 800-549-1985 now. Drivers who are covered by this auto protection will not have to pay for a covered repair bill again. 800-549-1985.
Liberty Mutual Insurance Company.
The music blast. She's just giving people the finger.
For no reason. She's lost it. That's what I'm saying.
What are you so upset about, man? She's literally trying to get her eyes out of people.
And driving with her turn signal on, which is the best part of this. She ain't trying to get over.
No, she's not.
She is, jackass.
I don't know.
I'm so confused.
I am very confused. She giving me the finger now? What do I do?
Do you want to be on Dashcam time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video descriptions. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information for your incident and then submit. It's really that easy.